What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I am Augustine Versace. This is Onell Media, and you are awesome. If you are here, you are part of the fam. Give me dap. Alright, I'm rocking with you. If you are not part of the fam, what are you waiting on? Go ahead, like, subscribe, ring that bell notification so you can be back here every time I drop a video. Now let's get into it. Alright? So today I just got a new addition to the bag. Yes, I have a new addition to the squad, the squid eye, the set of tools that I use every freaking day. I do have the Dji Mavic Mini. Now that is the drone that I usually fly. I wasn't using the drone for anything professional, and I didn't have my license to fly a drone commercially. But that has all changed. I went and got that baby. You feel me? And now I'm thinking, hey, I'm gonna start doing commercial jobs. So let me upgrade my Dji Mavic Mini to something a little more suited. You feel me? Suited and booted. And I have the DJI Mavic Air 2. So I just want to get outside because the sun's getting ready to go down. But I just want to get outside, get a little footage in my favorite place to shoot videos with my drone. It's a park near and dear to my heart, by my crib, not too far away, a few minutes away. And I just love shooting there. So see you guys in a second, and we're gonna get into this video, a few clips, and then I'm gonna have a few more videos coming down the pipeline, comparing it to the DJI Mavic Mini, as well as giving you guys much more in-depth and a full review on this. But as of right now, I just want to show you guys first time out with it, man. All right, let's go. We made it to the park. You hear the birds chirping? Hey, we made it to the park. I'm gonna just get it up in the air, see what I can do. This is my favorite part because it has this cool waterfall. Got the controller, we got your boy. Hey, before I even got this, I went through the trouble of getting a variable ND filter. What is that, 2 to 5 stops? The Polar Pro joint. You see it. I'm so excited! Gotta have the extra batteries. I'm not gonna need those. Just send them up in the air real quick. I do like the position of these little sticks now, and the controller feels heftier, more sturdy, man. I like it. And I got really big Batman hands, you know what I'm saying? So this works out good for me. The power supply tucked right in there. Now, another thing that I really liked about this drone when I was looking it up was it could supply power to the phone. The last drone I had didn't supply any power to the phone while I was flying, so that's pretty dope. Now, I've already went through the trouble of setting up everything at the house so that I can use the drone and fly. I've registered it and everything, but this will be my actual first flight test of the drone. Press it one time, hold it, and it makes some noises. That does a weird thing. The camera starts doing some weird stuff just to get balance. Hey! I no longer have 60 frames per second, so the highest you can go in HDR is 30 frames per second. I did not bring a memory card, but no worries, you have 8 gigabytes. 8 gigabytes of internal storage with this thing, which is, another thing that I like above actually using the Mini, because, if you don't bring a memory card for your Mini, you're done. Wish me luck. Oh, wait. Before I fly this thing, I have to calibrate it. Always calibrate your thing. Not your thing. Always calibrate your drone, all right? Well, that was easy. Another thing that I always do when I'm flying my drone is I always use histogram. Oh, and I use zebras, just so I can know when I'm flipping, going out the highlights and all of that. So, first time in the air, let's go. We in there like swimwear, baby. Cut the cinematic footage, baby. now I'm going over this bridge, and it looks amazing, man. Oh my goodness. This is the life. One of my favorite places to get, man, always, is the waterfall. Even if it's not really a waterfall right now, it's just a dope spot to get footage from. There's this area of trees that I love going through all of the time. Let me see if I can thread it through there. I always do it with my small mini. Oh, I seem to have clipped my first tree, but guess what? It didn't fall. Camera is a little bit wobbly. I can see the propeller, but yeah, it didn't fall. And I think that's wonky, and I think like the way that it's pointing must be wonky, but it's right over here. I was just looking at myself, so it is. It's a little bit wonky. Like if you could see the way that the camera is pointing forward right now, but it is not facing forward. Actually, I could show you guys. Now that could really end up being a problem, but luckily I'm close enough to where I could see the drone myself and I could bring it back home. But that could definitely be an issue if you hit something, your camera goes all wonky, and then you can't get it back. You can always hit the return to home. Can I make adjustments to the camera though? It could go up and down, but it seems that the twig has made it go cockeyed. So we're gonna bring it back though. The method of bringing the drone back when I can see it really good is I turn it around and fly it butt first, just so it's easier. The way that you're controlling your hands is the way that it's actually coming, and not the opposite as to when you're flying it away from you. So yeah, got this guy back. That was my first flight, and I almost lost him, man. I don't know if I'm a real OG. I'm gonna try to land it in my hand. Yeah, that might not be the best idea. I'm gonna hurt myself. Nah, you know what? This is not my mini. I'm not gonna play with it right now until I get where I need to be with it, but definitely gonna bring it home and sit it down. Oh, yeah, the video was over, but little side note, when I landed it, I haven't touched it. But as soon as it landed, it stopped being cockeyed. The camera just went back to the way that it was supposed to be. So I don't know what type of little safety feature that is, but in the future, if I ever do make my camera go cockeyed, maybe I could just land it and then I can get the camera back right. Yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.